Aren't you tired of slow-loading, unengaging PDFs? Imagine what your clients must feel, waiting for that attachment to finally download and open. FlippingBook helps you keep your clients' comfort in mind. It replaces static PDFs with interactive digital flipbooks in just a few clicks. Available as direct links, your ebooks, catalogs, and brochures open instantly on any device. We invest in quality reading experience, empowering your online flipbooks with authentic look, custom branding and design, interactive videos, and more. With FlippingBook, your marketing documents can stand out, better engage your audience, and expand your marketing reach. Your stunning sales proposals are easy to reinforce with FlippingBook too. Learn when leads open your document and follow up immediately for successful sales. And with built-in stats on the number of views, the most engaging pages, outbound clicks, you can always be on top of your game. FlippingBook takes care of your readers with reimagined content, so you can relax for once. Give the authentic reading experience a try at flippingbook.com.